Welcome to the service clinic at Low Country Harley-Davidson. I'm Doc Harley. This is a don't do this video. This is a customer's bike. This is not the one that it happened to, but this is a good example of what the customer wanted. This other customer came in and said, I would like to put fancy shock absorbers on the back of my touring machine and have Olin front cartridges put on. What does it cost? He was quoted a price and he went, heck no, I can do this at home. Took his bike home, bought the shocks, and then he proceeded to put these shocks on. He took this off as the bike sits. These came, yeah, it sagged a little bit, but he was able to put this one in and this one in. Ah, man, I'm making some good time here. He goes to the other side, takes the shock absorber off. And of course, you've got the weight of the motorcycle on, and it lowered down, and he put the bottom bolt in. Then he tried putting the top bolt in. He tried putting the bolt in this direction, and this direction, and this direction, and tried lifting the motorcycle up until finally he brought the motorcycle to us with this completely damaged. Threads, boogered up, gone. It's not going to hold a shock absorber that well. Yeah, we had to replace this whole unit because he wanted to do this job himself without a jack stand, without lifting the back end up, just with the motorcycle on the jiffy stand. Don't do this, okay? Yes, some dealerships are quoting some pretty high prices to do it. And some of you guys can do your own work, and I'm all for you trying to do some of the work on your motorcycle. But not being cautious and not having the suspension lifted up so it's not working against itself is a whole lot better. If you don't have the tools and the knowledge and you think you found out on YouTube how to do it easier, please get a service manual and it will tell you to support the back end. Take 4 bolts out, put the 4 bolts in, put your brackets on the back, and yes, you've done the work yourself and very prideful. But don't do this, because this costs a whole lot more than the quote of putting rear shocks on. I'm Doc Harley. We'll see you next time.